Hey guys! Today I am reviewing this back, shoulder, and neck massager that I got on Amazon, and I'm actually pretty impressed with how well it works releasing the tension from all the stress I have. It's like sitting in a massage chair, but it's portable, and I can actually adjust it to dig into my pressure points so it's customized for exactly where I need it. It's also heated, and the buttons are easy to locate and understand. It does smell pretty leathery at first, but the quality of the fabric is legit. I've used other ones before and it was cheaply made, so this brand exceeded my expectations. It just needs to plug in to work, and it comes with a car charger if ever you want to use it while sitting or driving somewhere on a road trip or something. It's pretty neat and I highly recommend. I've put the link in the description box below if you want to get it as well. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think.